Is Raymond Mahusay Sr., 37 years old.
My name is Raymond J.R. Mahusay. I'm 15 years old. Ang plano ko po ay pang-enrollment ko po ng grade 11 and pambayad po ng graduation fee. And yun po yung pera na yun, maaari po, pambayad din po ng tuition.
Salamat ako sa Top.ph dahil tinulungan niya kami kung paano ma-process ang preview ng anak ko. Maraming salamat talaga sa Top.ph.
Nagpapasalamat po sa Top.ph kasi dito maranasan na makapagbayad na po ng graduation fee at pang-enrollment ko po ng grade 11.
The partnership of Will to Win and Top.ph was really a very good experience for our children. Napakadaling gamitin ng app, di ba? Kasi napaka-importante ng cashless application these days, di ba? Download Top.ph application because it's really very helpful, especially these days that we are going cashless already.